Coffman Road has always been a maintenance issue. It's not a very high volume road, but the majority of the traffic is the truck traffic from the gravel pits and the construction yards down on Coffman, south of Hookless. The soils out there are very expansive, so we've gone in and done patches where you have to go out and dig down like 3 feet, build it back up. That gets to be very expensive too. The road really started falling apart. So we allocated money for a design to try to come in and rehabilitate that roadway. Using what was called a full depth reclamation, an alternative method instead of having to dig down real deep to replace those expansive soils. We looked at reclaiming the asphalt and the gravel that was there, adding cement to it, and then coming in and putting a little bit of gravel on top of it to raise the grades up a little bit, to improve the drainage off of it, and then put asphalt down. So we did that design and constructed that this year. We had a few issues with that method as not being as easy and cheap as what we thought, but we're confident that it is providing a very firm and durable pavement structure for those truck traffics. That project went from just north of Hookless Boulevard south to where the old Spanish trailhead is. We did widen the shoulder slightly from what it was before. I think we added about another 2 feet on each side just for safety purposes. We completed that last month and have traffic on it. We're really pleased with how that project turned out.